In this video, I'm going to show you how to add video creator to Instagram bio. And if you're a video creator and you love to add that category to your Instagram bio, open your Instagram, click on edit profile, click on category, come on here, type in video, right? So video creator. So yeah, I think it's one of here. Okay, so I can just click on it. So I think it should be here, right? So one of it. So yeah, I think this is related to it, so this is creator, so one of them. So click on this done. So yeah, this is it. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.